If you want to know exactly how you can start making an extra, $2,000 to $3,000 a week just from, being on social media, then make sure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, let me show you my view right now. Okay, I'm actually in Jamaica right now, y'all. I'm at my resort in Jamaica on top floor. Okay, and I'm teaching people exactly how they can go from being dead broke to earning 6 figures a year just from using their smartphone or their laptop. Very, very simple. Now, if you're watching this video right now, there should be a link either above this video or down below. Somewhere there should be a link. Just click that link and then check out the information, and it's going to show you exactly how to make this kind of money. Okay, it's going to show, this is just Jamaican money right here. Like I said, I am in Jamaica, so we'll put this to the side. So of course you won't be making that. So I'm going to show you how to make this right here.